This January, I got a chance to experience the houseboat through the scenic backwaters of Alappuzha in Kerala. We took the houseboat package from morning 11 to evening 5. That means breakfast is not included. So we had a decent breakfast in the Indian coffee house on our way. We were told to reach finishing point where most of the houseboat ride starts and ends. So we parked our vehicle here in this parking area. Here you have to pay the parking fees according to the type of houseboat you are taking. Here you can see many houseboats parked. We reached a bit early. We had to wait till 11 to go to our boat. This was my first time experiencing the houseboat, so I was a bit excited to see it. It was 11 and we started to walk towards our boat. While entering into the boat, they requested us to remove the chappals. So our boat was anchored in front of these two boats. So we had to walk through these two boats to reach our one. And finally we reached our boat. So this is our boat. We have a lounge area with TV and we have a dining area here. Now let me show you the rooms in the houseboat. In this boat we had 2 rooms. This is the first one. These rooms have even windows that overlooks the water. Let's go and see other rooms. We have 2 rooms. Yeah, even this area we have. Kitchen is at the back side of the boat, and this area is where the motor of the boat is kept. So when the boat started, it was a bit noisier in the kitchen side. I'll show you how it is to stay in the kitchen once the boat starts. I mean that sound. So this is what is there in the ground floor of the boat. Now let's go up and see what's there. Oh, before that they called me to have the welcome drink. Now let's climb up. This is the upper deck of the boat. And this is where we spend most of our time in the boat. We enjoyed the beauty of Alappuzha backwaters sitting here. Now it's time for our boat to start. Did you know houseboats can go in reverse gear also? We saw a lot of houseboats lying here and there. We didn't take the night package. If you take night package, I think you have to reach there by 5 and they will take you up to next day morning. But during night they will be anchored somewhere around the backwater. That is the time when fishermen put their net. So that time boats are not allowed to ride in the backwater. It has to be anchored. I don't know exactly which all places we went, but here's a screenshot I took at that time. We saw these birds too. You have any idea what these birds are? After going through a small canal like, we entered into this big open area. See, that's the area I'm talking about. That's the area where we came from. In most of the houseboats there will be sound system also. So you can do party here. After quite some time, I was a bit hungry, so I thought let me go to kitchen and see what's going. So food was almost ready. So did you hear that motor sound? This is what I was talking about previously. At this time, boat will be anchored for around 1 hour for everyone on board to have their lunch. So this was our delicious Kerala lunch. We had curry mean fry, chicken curry, salad, cabbage, pickle, papad, moru curry, sambar. So we had a good Kerala food and it was time for us to start again. Suddenly we saw this bird. First we thought it was vulture, but later understood it's not vulture, it's some other bird. Do you know what it is? We saw many birds on this boat, right? We couldn't recognize. Did you see this boat? Our captain of the boat told us it is a 2-floor boat. That means it will be having rooms on the ground floor and on the first floor also. I think he told me there are 10 rooms in this boat. I don't exactly remember. Can you see that small boat? People sell things in these small boats like ice cream or whatever required for the tourists. We wanted to have something sweet and cold. So we also ordered some ice cream from this person. Let me show you how the moving shops work here. We asked our captain how they charge for the houseboats. Then he told us it depends on season. If it is a good season, they will charge you more. Otherwise, if you are going in off season, the charges will be less. For the morning package, we paid around 8,000 for 6 people. I think we got in a good deal. That too on a holiday we booked at the last moment. So if you are planning, book your boat rides beforehand only. Maybe if you check just before one day or so, boats may not be available and also the prices will be very high. Something like flight tickets. If you check one day before, the prices will be high only, no? Evening time they made us chai. We can get coffee also. Just tell him before he makes. So we had this Kerala special parampuri with chai. I had a great day and I enjoyed the houseboat ride in the backwaters of Alappuzha. It was time for us to say goodbye to the boat and to Alappuzha. It's time to head back to our homes. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries regarding the houseboat, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also, I have provided the number. You can call to this number to make bookings on this houseboat. If you enjoyed this video, please do give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon with another video.